Are those mites, or is that pieces of pollen from their legs? Well, hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. We are going to do a 1 week check on the hive since we've put the super on. We are also going to put a beetle, what's this called? Better beetle blaster in the hive. There's already one there, but we're going to replace it and we're going to put some more stuff in it, or fresh stuff in there. And then also, we're also going to check the bees to make sure that, I forgot what this does. It checks for something, and I can't remember what it is. Mites. Yes, mites. So we're going to check and see if the bees have mites with this little thing, with this little tool device, I guess well, it's not really a tool or a device. It's super simple. We put some rubbing alcohol. Actually, we didn't have rubbing alcohol. We put Everclear in there. We've had that for a long time. It's not very good. And we diluted it a little bit because we didn't want it that strong, and we just covered the basket. We're going to put a handful of bees in there. We'll see how that works out, and we're going to sacrifice them to see if there's any mites on the bees. So let's get to it. Let's hope I don't get stung this time. Stickiness there. Ooh, yes. They're super calm, so that's good. Not much progress, but it's only been a week. This is gonna be fun and heavy. The instructions to check for mites say to take a middle frame. Make sure you don't have the queen, and then put a handful in the basket. But I'm going to scrape off the top. I don't see the queen anywhere. That is in there nice and tight. Oh, it's hurting my back. This is an outer frame. I do not see the queen, but it's all empty on this side at least. I did a good job eating over the winter. I'm going slow so don't get mad at me. See if we have any beetle mites in here. Oh, I actually do see some beetle mites in there. Right there. And right there. So we're going to replace it. Put some fresh stuff in there. Alright, more empty frames. Alright, this thing is full of brood, let me tell ya. Lots of bees with pollen on their legs. That is awesome. I found the queen. Oh my gosh. She's right there. I'll zoom in. Right in the middle. She's looking good. I'm not seeing any queen cells. We're gonna leave this frame in the hive so that the queen does not fall. I'm curious if that is a queen cell or not. Looks like it might possibly be. Let's open it up. Oh, it might be. Look at, I think that's larva. Ew, wow. I think that was. We had it here last time, so we'll just keep it there. I put everything back together. I'm on the verge of thinking that we could split this hive. There's plenty of room on the outsides, outside frames, but there's still a lot of bees in there. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching this bee update video, and we will talk to you guys later. All right, guys, so we are back up at the house, away from the bees. And I have my mite tester right here. And of course we have to sacrifice some bees to check this. And they said that you want to get 300 bees. Well, I don't think I got that many. I probably got 50. So yeah, I didn't get very many. But let's see. I am not 100% sure what so I'm not sure what it's supposed to look like. I think that there is some black dots in there, which might indicate mites. But those kind of look like little pieces of honey, like not honey, but like pollen from their legs. What do you guys think? Are those mites? Maybe that helps. Are those mites, or is that pieces of pollen from their legs?